Wow, Bitcoin just took another dive. It's sitting just under $83,000 right now. We were just at $95,000 this morning. It's wild how quickly things can shift. You remember Trump's big announcements about the US Strategic Crypto Reserve, right? That news shot Bitcoin up from a low of $78,000 and past $85,000 and all the way to $95,000. It's feel like we're on a rocket ship. But then Wall Street pulled the rug and suddenly everyone started dumping Bitcoin like it was just another tech stock. What really blows my mind is how the insider played this. Right before Trump announced the 5 strategic assets, there was strong rumor that insider were moving big money. And I'm not talking about small change. They pulled off a quick $1 billion flip. These guys always seems to know what's coming, right? They get in early, pumps the market, and then dumps when the average person starts FOMOing in. It's the same play over and over. When you see Bitcoins pumping hard, that's when you should be the most careful. The best times to buy is during the dips, like this one we're seeing right now. And if timings the market isn't your thing, that's where dollars cost averaging DCAs come in. Just keep buying a little bit on a regular basis. No matter what the price is doing, it's not flashy, but it works. The trick is once you got your Satoshis, hold on to them. Don't give them back to the market maker and the whales. That's how they play the game. They shake out the weak hands, buy back cheaper, and repeat the cycle again and again. But if you keep stacking, keep holding, and don't let the volatility mess with you, you'll come out on top. It's a simple method to build real wealth without all the stress. It's crazy to see how manipulated the markets can be. You know, those rumors about the 84,000 gap, Bitcoin filled the gap. And instead of bouncing, it just fell off the cliff. It's like they had the whole thing planned. The panic mode on Wall Street is so intense that they are dumping everything, not just Bitcoin. And what's really bugged me is that they're treating Bitcoin like just another risky asset when it's actually the hardest assets known to man. The fundamentals for Bitcoins are still so strong. The US crypto reserves is a massive step forward. And it's not just the US making moves. There's talk that China, Russia, Japan, South Korea, and Brazil are working on their own Bitcoin reserves. This is the kinds of adoptions that changes the game. And even the SEC is showing signs of turning it around. They just dismissed a big lawsuit and they're setting up roundtable talks about crypto regulation. With Trump's administrations being so pro-crypto and the upcoming crypto summits on March the 7th, there's a real chance this whole thing could flip bullish fast. I know it feels like a roller coaster right now, but I'm not sweating it. Those who panic and sell are probably going to be buying back at higher prices when the dust settles. The key is to hold tight, stack it right, and not get played by the whales and the markets makers. I know it's a lot to take in, but honestly, it feels like it's just another chapter in the Bitcoin history. Okay, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.